Hey yo, you got a hole in it, bruh. The fuck? It's gonna be pretty interesting. I gotta be on my toes on this one, for sure.
They say this is a big rich town, but I live in the poorest part.
Yep. My goal is to get on that plane to Thailand, explore Thailand with the equipment I have, you know? So this is my life I have in my hands. I threw away everything. I gave away my clothes. Like, I gave away my comfort of my home to do the things I'm doing right now, to risk everything to go to Thailand, to shoot videos and explore down there. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, you want to park right here?
Yeah, let me get back up.
Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, this John looks sketch. This John looks sketch. This,
Yeah?
at least it's on the main road. Alright, which one is it? We right here with it. We right here. Let's go, let's do this. Thank you, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, you That's a nice ring we got.
Let's talk about the ring. This is a sign for bravery and courage.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Good luck,
Yo,
man.
take it easy.
Yeah, yeah. I'll keep
You know
in
what I'm
touch,
saying?
alright?
Oh yeah,
All right.
for sure, man.
All right.
Hey yo.
Bruh.
You got a hole in it, bruh. The fuck? Yo, this joint's sketch, man. We're gonna have to kill somebody. All right, we're gonna check inside and see what's up. If it doesn't look right, the door not strong enough, bruh. Hey, we in here. This gym doesn't lock all the way, bruh. This is a lot different from the first Airbnb that we went to.
This Airbnb was really nice. Definitely better than the one you just saw. But the one thing about this Airbnb, I had my Airbnb all the way on the 3rd floor. And yeah, as you can see, I'm just really tired. So if you open the door and look at this. Yeah, I got some good stuff there. They had this nice burgundy wall and they had gold trimmings everywhere. Like, it felt really romantic. This Airbnb, oh man, there was stains everywhere. It smelled like must and sweat and you know, smoke. It was just terrible.
I definitely don't feel comfortable leaving my stuff in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it everywhere I go. Holy shit,
I
bro.
believe they put Airbnbs in this area.
It's crazy. And it had like a hole in the door and the lock doesn't even lock all the way. So I'm heading over to my friend's house and she's gonna help me you know, keep my stuff safe. So I grew up in the slums and I know when slummy, you know what I'm saying? Like, that was like, well, that bathroom didn't even lock. I was trying to take a piss, I was trying to lock the door. It didn't lock. I went to go look on the reviews, you know, and I'm looking at some of the reviews at the top, you know, and it says, oh, good, you know, good stay, quiet, clean. Those are fake.
Yeah.
They made accounts and they went on
100%.
to comment onto the page to get people to get lured in, and it says non-refundable too.
100% it's fake, yeah.
Scam. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. If you're gonna book an Airbnb in West Philly, make sure you read all the comments, because those comments, some of those comments are fake.
To beg you or cancel it though.